It's time. The moment isn't coming, it's here. Right now. You don't have to wait anymore. Because everything you need is already within you. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Today is the starting line. You've been carrying this fire inside for far too long. A fire gifted to you not by chance, not by accident, but by purpose. And if there's one thing you have to understand from this moment on, purpose doesn't pause. Each step you've taken, the heartbreaks, the setbacks, the nights where you questioned your entire existence was all part of your formation. All of it became the foundation for your growth. And a foundation built through pain will stay strong when you succeed. You may not feel unstoppable every day. You may not feel unbreakable every morning. But let me tell you something real. You have never been defeated. Tired? Yes. Wounded? Maybe. Falling behind? At times. But defeated? Never. What you're feeling right now isn't the end. It's the start of another chapter. The one where you go from doubting your power to owning it. You know what that looks like? It looks like discipline showing up when motivation takes the day off. It looks like showing up when no one's clapping for you. It looks like standing tall when the world is pushing you to your knees. You have one shot at this life. One breath at a time, one beat at a time. You've been gifted a moment that others no longer have. Don't waste it on regret. Don't waste it on fear. Rise. You don't need perfect circumstances to create greatness. You need hunger. You need vision. And most importantly, you need you. You've been waiting on the right time to believe in yourself. Here's a truth bomb. There is no magical moment coming with neon lights and a red carpet. You create the moment by deciding that your excuses no longer live here. Not in your mind. Not in your heart, not in your life. Disappointment has rented too much space in your soul. Evict it. Fear has been whispering in your ear too long. Mute it. Doubt has been taking the steering wheel. Snatch it back. You ride from here. You try from here. Greatness isn't a fantasy, it's a decision. It's not about fame, glory, or applause. Greatness is found in the resiliency to keep going when others quit. It's in waking up after failure and daring to try again. It's knowing that your character is worth more than anyone's opinion. You are not your mistakes. You are not your past failures. You are not the pain you've endured. You are the power born from healing. You are the wisdom shaped by experience. You are the courage to do more, be more, not just for the world, but for yourself. Let me ask you this. What are you really waiting for? An apology? Closure? The perfect mood? The perfect plan? Stop waiting to be great. Start demanding it from yourself. Because your time is limited and every second you spend on fear is a second stolen from freedom. Yes, life will challenge you. It will strip you down. But when life breaks you, rebuild something stronger. Be relentless. Be unapologetically passionate. Be bold enough to stand alone, because sometimes a lonely path is the one that forges leaders. Your mission isn't small. You were chosen to be a difference, a cure to complacency, a weapon against mediocrity. And the only approval you really need is the whisper from your soul that says, I can, I will, I'm ready. So here's what I need from you. Refuse to go back. Refuse to slow down. Refuse to hand over your potential for the comfort of procrastination. You deserve more, but you can only receive more when you become more. Guard your mind like your heart depends on it, because it does. Feed it with discipline. Fuel it with belief. Silence the voices that say you're not enough, and amplify the one inside you screaming, I was born for this. From this point forward, you do not negotiate with your goals. You do not compromise your standards. You do not shrink for the approval of others. Your power was not given to you by them, and it sure as hell can't be taken away by them either. Rise even when shaken. Speak even when doubting. Act even when afraid. Because courage isn't the absence of fear, it's action in spite of it. You suffered. You survived. Now it's time to shift, to build, to rise. When it hurts, keep going. When it burns, breathe through it. When you feel alone, look within, because you are the one you've been waiting for. So don't just talk about your dreams. Don't just visualize the life you want. Don't just write down your goals and leave them lying in a journal. Act, move, begin. Even if you're scared, even if you fail, even if you're not sure how the story ends, trust in this. The story is better when you don't quit writing it. And when the world dares to ask who's coming for what's theirs, you don't scream, you don't shout, you just show up. Unbroken, undeniable, unstoppable. Now go and be who you are meant to be.